So, ito yung buhay namin sa events. Ito yung pinili namin buhay. Magpasaya ng tao. But just to let you know, guys, it's not all about the money. It's all about the passion that we do. Si Miss Janie pa. Yung magigiting na managers na ating gagaling. Yan guys, we're doing the finishing touches of our venue here in Okada. So a glimpse of our wedding here. Hello!
Congratulations to the couple! Best coordinator!
Wow!
Yeah.
Grabe, ganda ng bride! Iyo! Ang pogi! Pasensya na kaya hindi namin napagandaan yung venue. Ayan. Let's do this. Ayan guys, good morning.
Morning po.
Good morning.
Ito po. Ito po.
Yan. Ang aga na ating florist, si Nene and Enteng. Ganito ang buhay events, guys. So, gaya ngayon, we have to woke up early. 2 a.m. ang call time ng team kasi we have to be in Okada at around 4 a.m. Kukwento ko naman later kung paano ang buhay events namin and the sacrifices for our couples. Paano yung ginagawa na yung sacrifices for our couples. Yes. Ay, thank you. Thank you sa inyo.
A few moments later.
And guys, nandito naman kami. Nandito na kami sa Okada. So, touchdown. So, tayo sa holding room. Maling Okada, wala may pahiram na cart. Super busy ata. Dala na rin namin yung flower. Tsaka yung ibang gagamitin ng bride na dito na rin. Guys, nakapag-unload na kami ng gamit. So, ito yung buhay namin sa events. Ito yung pinili namin buhay. Magpasaya ng tao. So much sacrifice para sa mga taong pinagsiservisyoan namin. But just to let you know, guys, it's not all about the money. It's all about the passion that we do. Kasi yung iba ko naman angels, pwede na hindi gawin ito eh. Kaya lang, they still chose to do this kasi masaya din sila nagpapasaya ng tao. So, na-adapt din nila yung kung ano yung gusto ko. So, yun. So, I'm very thankful for that. Not only my angels, but also the people who are working in the event industry. Yeah. Morning! Morning! Yan guys, nagsaset up tayo ngayon dito sa Grand Ballroom 3. So, time check. It's 4 a.m. Actually, it's 4:30. We arrived at 4 a.m. Maaga ang call time namin kasi sobrang dami pa nang gagawin namin. But yan, just to let you know, before we start with anything, ganito muna itsura yan. Mamaya papakita namin yung final output namin. And guys, pupunta kami ngayon sa lobby. Kunin namin yung mga makeup artist. Yeah, si Makeup by V. Hello! Content ko ngayon, buhay events. Di ba? Yung pagod natin sa events. Follow nyo kami. Sir! Ano? Morning. Yes, si Muriel po.
This is a vlog takeover. So I'm gonna take over this vlog.
Yeah.
Sorry,
Let's go. Si Muriel is a good friend. Very good friend natin.
Pinakamayan.
Huwag ka magulo. Guys, magugulo tayo ng bride. Bubulabugin natin, guys. Hello! Kamusta?
Hello, morning.
Ah,
Medyo lang.
Ayan, ito pa yung bride natin for Australia. Punta naman tayo sa room ni Groom. Favorite number ni Gibo?
9069.
9069. Balik-balik taran. Oh. Miss mo na ba, Gibo? Miss no.
Di ka sure.
Di ka sure. So ngayon, susunduin naman natin si Bayad. Si Mayad Studios. They are our official photo and video team for today. Si Miss Jamie pa. May pabit. Yun, oh. So, meron lang kaming konting adjustments na gagawin regarding do sa safety. Ganun talaga sa hotel. Kailangan lagi tayong safe. Ini-inspect talaga yan kahit saan kami mag-wedding. And kami naman, as event professionals, we can adjust naman to anything. Kaya gagawa namin ng paraan lahat yan para sa couple. Number one, experience, paano namin gagawin, paano adjust everything para mas mapaganda natin. And guys, bali ngayon, we're going to check everything na nandito na kami sa may room. So, isa talaga sa pinakamahirap pagka sa hotel ang wedding, yung preps. Kasi yung key card, tapos kailangan kakunin yung abay sa baba or any suppliers ng taas. Yan po yung mami ng bride, tita.
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm recording you for a video. Oh, yes. Sige po, tita. Apa. Yo! Ang pogi! Pogi po ng groom natin, oh. Grabe. Grabe, ganda ng bride. Ay, grabe. Para pong bride itong isang abay na ito. Oh, grabe. I miss you too. Smile! Step ulo. Careful sa head. Careful sa head. Ayan, hello guys. Good afternoon. So, we are now waiting for our bride and groom here in Okada. So, currently, we're just finishing the touches up doon sa ating reception hall. Actually, we want to surprise our bride. So, I hope may surprise natin siya and maging happy siya doon sa setup natin. Yan guys, we're doing the finishing touches of our venue here in Okada. So, a glimpse. Yan. A glimpse of our wedding here. So, mamaya we'll be doing the lightings naman. Tinatapos lang namin yung setup namin today. So, yan. Again, Buhay Events. How are you feeling? Uy,
Kapoy?
pasensya na kayo, hindi namin napagandaan yung venue.
Over.
Okay, guys.
Oh my God!
Yan, guys. Ngayon, nagsushoot na si Mayad. Here they are. Si Miss Jamie. Sina Direct Archie nandito rin. And all of the gang. Yan. Yan, guys. Here's Miss Mai. Miss Arian. Miss Rian.
My
Hello!
Congrats, Ate Steph and Kuya Marlon. Kunin mo yan, come talaga yan. Ay, tunay mo.
Hi!
Hi.
Ito nga po ang vlog ni
Watch out for our vlog.
Yuck.
Kika pala.
Akika.
Kika.
Congratulations to the couple.
Oh.
I know. Congrats.
Welcome to Okada. The best coordinator.
Oh.
Si Harris. Yeah.
Yes.
To our wedding suppliers, Francie and team, thank you for working tirelessly to bring our vision to life. Your attention to every detail, passion, and commitment made our day perfect. We cannot thank you enough.